Ever found yourself scrambling to make a quick and tasty breakfast amidst a hectic morning schedule? Today, we delve into the art of crafting delicious and easy breakfast recipes perfect for those bustling mornings. First off, we have the classic go-to, the avocado toast. Now, this isn't just your average toast. Start by toasting 2 slices of whole grain bread. While those are getting nice and crispy, cut an avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the creamy goodness. Mash it up in a bowl, add a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Once the toast is ready, spread that beautiful green mixture on top, and voila, a nutritious and delicious breakfast is served. But maybe you're more of a sweet tooth kind of person, in which case, overnight oats may be your new best friend. Before you hit the hay, grab a jar and combine half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of milk, dairy or non-dairy, your choice, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Want to add a little more flavor? Toss in a spoonful of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cover the jar, shake it up, and let it chill in the fridge overnight. Come morning, all you need to do is grab a spoon and enjoy. Now, for those who like a bit of a protein punch in the morning, the scrambled egg wrap is a sure winner. Heat a non-stick pan, crack 2 eggs into a bowl, and whisk them up. Pour the eggs into the pan, stirring occasionally. Once they're cooked, lay out a tortilla, spread a layer of cream cheese, top it with the scrambled eggs, add some spinach or any favorite veggies, roll it up, and you've got a breakfast wrap that's both filling and yummy. What about drinks, you ask? Well, a classic smoothie is a great way to start the day. Blend together a ripe banana, a handful of berries, a scoop of Greek yogurt, and a splash of milk. In less than 5 minutes, you've got yourself a refreshing, nutrient-packed drink. To summarize, we've explored a few quick and scrumptious breakfast options, perfect for those on-the-go mornings. We've got the avocado toast, a simple yet satisfying choice, the overnight oats, a sweet and effortless treat, the scrambled egg wrap, a protein-packed breakfast to keep you full, and the classic smoothie, a quick and refreshing drink. Remember, a good breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few ingredients and a bit of creativity, anyone can start their day off right.